Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to unblock a Threads account on Android. If you've accidentally blocked someone on Threads and you want to unblock them, then you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to unblock a Threads account on Android. To get started, open the Threads app on your smartphone. Click on the search icon located at the bottom center of the screen. Then, search for the account you want to unblock. Once you've found the account, press the three dots in the right corner of their profile. From there, choose Unblock. And that's it. Now you've successfully unblocked the Threads account on your Android phone. If you've accidentally blocked someone on Threads, it's important to unblock them as soon as possible. Blocking someone can prevent them from contacting you or seeing your posts, which can be frustrating for both parties. In addition to unblocking accounts, you can also customize other settings in Threads to make your experience more comfortable. For example, you can choose who can see your online status, who can add you as a friend, and who can see your story. One thing to keep in mind is that if you unblock someone, they will be able to contact you and see your posts again. So if you're not comfortable with that, it's best to leave them blocked. It's also important to note that unblocking someone on Threads does not automatically add them back as a friend. If you want to add them back as a friend, you'll need to send them a friend request. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to unblock a Threads account on Android. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to customize your Thread settings to make your experience more enjoyable.